I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. I haven't gotten used to your scent. I'm certain you have had another cigarette. Nothing could prepare me for your style. The way your laughter seemed to go for miles and miles. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. Doopy-doop-boom-bo-ee-da-dum-ee-dum-ba-dum. Doopy-doop-boom-ba-dum-ba-dum-doo-dum. Doopy-doop-boom-bo-ee-da-dum-ee-dum-ba-dum. Doopy-doop-boom-ba-dum-ba-dum-doo-dum. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Maybe I will never leave you when I'm in love with your beauty. Oh, for now you can rest easy, oh, because for now New York, you have a hold on me. Because for now New York, you have a hold on me. Because for now New York, you have a hold on me. Because for now New York, you have a hold on me.
Sitting on my bed, packing my bags, hoping that someone calls me back, planning my next trip on a map, alone and traveling round the world. And I would wish that someone asked me to stay, because I'm getting tired of walking away. My only destination is hope, and I'm missing home. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house of friends to tell them my stories. Yes, I really like someone to call me back next time I pack my bags. Do you know how it feels to travel non-stop, to live in a train with nowhere to go? And everybody knows me around the globe, but when I'm down I've got nowhere to go. The sun and the moon are my only friends, so I really need a home. My plane goes in an hour and I have to go, but I'll leave you this short letter just to let you know that I would like you to be my home and take you everywhere I go. So if you come with me, I'll never leave you alone. And if we find a place to build our home and tell our friends the stories of our journey, please come with me. And I love the adventures that I have, love the adventures that I have. Like to have a place to, I just like to have a place to come back. A warm house of friends to tell them, let me tell them my story. I'd really like someone to call me back now. Yes, I'd really like someone to call me back now. Next time I pack I'm packing my bag. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like someone to hold my hand. Next time I pack my bag.
Dim light burning in the sky, I know now that it's over. I felt you drifting away from me. In truth, I'm braver than you ever gave me credit. I'm living better than we could be. Holy is the bitter end. It's better now not to pretend. Honey, I am living up, and it's better without you. The night is seeing our names, but it calls us something different. Tells us truths we cannot believe.